Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anita Stories. In this video I'm going to test 4 recipes on how to make slime without glue and without borax. So let's get started. For the first recipe I'm using some shower gel. Then you need to add a little bit of salt, and here I added too much salt. Don't do this, just add just a pinch of salt. Then you have to mix it slowly all together, and if it is too liquid it means that you added too much salt, like me. So you can add a little bit more of shower gel until it becomes more solid. If you're not already subscribed yet to my channel, please remember to subscribe and activate the notifications. And if you want to see just videos in English, please subscribe to my English only channel. I will leave the link down below in the description. And remember to leave a like to this video if you want to see more slime videos. So I'm adding a little bit more of shower gel, and then you need to put it in the freezer for around 10 minutes. Now the next recipe is dish soap. Then you need to add a bit of flour or corn flour or cornstarch. And I noticed that I had a teaspoon in here. So keep on adding some flour and then mix it with your hands.
Inside my palms, play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
play dead? Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead